more, all right here. Plus, no one's patience. Why even waiting outside the station? And it was like my fault.
His mouth out of this. It's pretty fucking cool.
Or even get pre-approved right now at BethMillerHyundai.com. They have tons of inventory right now. The Tucson.
This is handy. May or may not end up painting this little bastard, but so there he's holding a couple wrenches. There's the face, got some little eyes and mouth and shit, but I was trying to keep it a little bit simple and a little gritty. You know what I mean? Just kind of make him look rough. His arms look a little bit bigger on camera, but they're actually kind of short. He looks very proportionalized in person. Just the lens of the camera. Got his little fingers wrapped around the wrench. Yeah, I'd say it's looked pretty cool. I may put, like I said, a coat of paint on it, or do something to end up with this. But yep, I've always wanted to make one of these, so I did. There she is. Peace out.